Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. Friends, as you know, TCS Smart Hiring for IT and BPS has been scheduled on 6th of June 2021. So I am going to discuss the previous year problems from TCS Smart Hiring. So friends, please watch the video till the end because this video is going to be very important. All important questions will be discussed. And friends, if you are new to this channel, please do subscribe and click on bell icon so that you do not miss any kind of opportunity. Friends, what will be the remainder if 1 factorial, right, plus 2 factorial plus 3 factorial and so on 100 factorial is divided by 6? Now, friends, many of the students after seeing this problem only they will leave it, but this is a very simple problem. Okay, so if you know the bit of factorial, then you will be easily able to do. So you can directly say, sir, 1 plus 2 and 3 factorial will be 6, 4 factorial will be 24, and 5 factorial will be 120, and divided by 6, which is nothing but 120 plus 133. That means 153, right? 153 divided by 6, 3 will be the remainder. You will be easily able to solve within seconds. But how did we get this? That is what I'm going to tell you here. So friends, what is the meaning of factorial? So if you have to calculate n factorial, start with n into n minus 1 into n minus 2, and you have to go till 1. Suppose if we have 5 factorial, then start with 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So you need to start with 5 and you have to go till 1. So friends, you can see we need to divide it by 6, and we need to find out the remainder basically, right? Okay, so 3 factorial, this I can write like this also: 1 factorial plus 2 factorial plus 3 factorial plus 4 factorial plus 5 factorial plus 6 factorial, okay, and so on, plus 100 factorial divided by 6. Friends, more than 6 I do not need it, right? See, more than 6 or more than 6 factorial we do not need to consider, because 6 factorial will be what? 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So this will be divisible by 6, right? So we will be getting remainder as 0. 7 factorial will be equal to what? 7 into, right, 6 factorial. Again 6 factorial will be divisible by 0, divisible by 6. So remainder will be 0. So friends, after 6 factorial, all other factorials will be completely divisible by 6. So we do not have to look for that options. Okay, now we have only this. So just calculate the factorial, add it and divide by 6. 1 factorial will be 1, 2 factorial will be 2, 3 factorial means 3 into 2 into 1, that is nothing but 6. 4 factorial means 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. This, all those things you should know. So 12 into 2 will be 24, and 5 factorial will be 120. If we'll add everything, you'll be getting 153 by 6. So 153 by 6. So if we'll try to divide 153 by 6, 6 twos will be, I'm sorry here. So 6 twos will be 12, and 6 fives will be here 30. So 3 will be nothing but the remainder. So option C will become the correct answer for the particular problem number 1. Okay, friends. So I hope this problem you would have understood, and this kind of problems only will be coming to your exam. So you do not have to worry at all. Now, friends, question number 2. So question number 2 is, what is the average of all the natural numbers from 41 to 60, both inclusive? So friends, natural number. So you know natural number will be starting from 1, 1, 2, 3, so on till infinity. So what is the average of all the natural numbers, right? Average of all the natural numbers from 41 to 60. So basically we have 41, 42, 43 until 60. Okay, now friends, so we know average of continuous number. So we already know average of continuous number. Average of continuous number will be equal to first number plus last number. First number plus last number divided by 2. Now my first number will be 41, last number will be 60 by 2. So this will be 101 by 2. So 50 times 2 will be 100, and 0.5 times 2 will be 1. So 50.5, option B will become the correct answer for the question number 2. Now friends, question number 3. So question number 3 is a question from the topic probability. So find the probability that a leap year chosen at random will have 53 Sundays. Friends, TCS Smart Hiring, you can find most of the exact similar questions will be asked from the TCS NQT. So find the probability that a leap year chosen at random will have 53 Sundays. So friends, you know a leap year will be having what? 366 days. That is the difference between a leap year and a general year. So a general year. So a general year will be having 365 days, whereas a leap year will be having 366 days. So you need to find out the probability that a leap year chosen at random will have 53 Sundays. Okay, now, so friends, in a week, how many days will be there? So in a week, we will be having total 7 days. And in the leap year, we have 366 days. So if we'll divide 366 by 7, so 7 5s will be 35 and 7 2s will be 14. So basically 2 will be the remainder. So 2 will be remainder means in leap year 366 days, I can say there will be 52 weeks because we are dividing by 7. So every week we'll have one Sunday. So 52 Sundays. And then another two remainder we will be having. Another 2 days we are having it, right? Correct. See, 52 means total 364, right? That means 52 weeks. So 52 weeks, every week we'll have a Sunday. So we'll have 52 Sunday, and then remaining we will have 2 days. Now, so friends, probability will be equal to what? NE by NS, where NS is equals to total outcomes, and this is nothing but favorable outcomes. So how many days we will be having? 7. Now, these 2 days, friends, these 2 days, it might be Monday, Tuesday, it might be Tuesday, Wednesday, it might be Wednesday, Thursday, it might be Thursday, Friday, it might be Friday, Saturday, it might be Saturday, Sunday, and it might be Sunday, Monday, right? Okay. So you can see you will have two options, right? Saturday, Sunday, or Sunday, Monday. So if that particular 2 days is this two, then we will be having what? 53 Sundays, right? See, 52 Sunday we will have from 52 weeks. But another 2 days, if it is Saturday, Sunday, or if it is Sunday, Monday, then we will be having what? 53 Sundays in a leap year. So total number of days is 7, and our requirement is nothing but 2, right? Our requirement is nothing but 2. So out of these two options, if you get any, then we will have 53 Sundays. So out of these two, if you get only one, then we will be having what? 53 Sundays. So we have two choice, two options are there in our favor, and total options are 7. See, this will be nothing but total, and any means in our favor. So in our favor, we have two options. That's all. Now, question number 4. So question number 4 is a time and work question. So 21 binders can bind 1400 books in 15 days. How many binders will be required to bind 800 books in 20 days? So friends, the formula is M1D1, okay? M1D1 H1 by W1. If hour is given, then fine, otherwise no problem. Is M2 D2 H2 by W2. Okay, so friends, M will be nothing but number of main, D will be number of days, and H means number of hours. If H is not given, hour is not given, then you do not have to worry at all. Okay, and W will be nothing but work. Now 21 binders. So if you see, M1 is what? 21. Okay, and days is nothing but what? 15, and can bind 1400 books. So binding 1400 books is a work. So W1 is equal to 1400. M2, how many binders will be required? Suppose X to bind 800 books in 20 days. Days will be 20, and if we'll talk about work, then work will be 800. So M1 21, D1 15, and H1 is not given, so we will not consider that, and W1 will be 1400. Then M2, so X D2 20, and divided by work will be nothing but 800. So this 20 and 20 will get cancelled. 7 2s are 7 3s are. 2 will divide this by 4 times. 4 will divide this by 5 times. 5 will divide this by 3 times. So X will be equal to 9. So 9 binders are required to bind 800 books in 20 days. Okay. So option B will become the correct answer for this particular problem. Then friends, we have a problem from the topic average. So the average age of a teacher and three student is 20 years. Okay. So the average age. So friends, we know average will be nothing but sum divided by number. Okay. Now, so the average age of a teacher and three student is 20 years. So right now, average is 20, okay, and sum. So we have one teacher and then we have three student, okay, and number. So total will become four, right? Because one teacher and three student, total will become four. So now teacher plus three student, total sum will become equal to 80. Total sum will become equal to 80. Fine. Okay, great. Now, if all the three students are of same age and difference between the age of a teacher and each student is nothing but 20 years. So they're telling a student are of same age. Okay, a student are of same age. If all the three students are of same age and the difference between age of teacher and each student is nothing but 20 years, right? Is nothing but 20 years. Then what is the age of the teacher? So friends, we have one equation here, okay, and another equation, t plus 3s will be equal to 80. Now just subtract it. So this will become minus and this will also become minus. Okay. So this will get cancelled. So 4s because this will get added. Okay. And 80 minus 20 will be 60. So s will become equal to 15. We got the age of a student is nothing but 15. Okay. Now, so what is the age of teacher? So t plus 3s is equals to 80. So t will be equal to 80 minus 3s. So 3 into 15. 80 minus 45. That means equal to 35. So the age of the teacher is nothing but 35 years, right? So the age of the teachers will become nothing but 35. So this is 35 and the student age will become 15. So we could have directly calculated from here also. So no need of doing like this. See, teacher age is 30, right? 35, student is 15 and the difference is 20. So teacher age will automatically become 35. Okay. So we could have done by this equation. This was more easy. T minus s is 20. Instead of doing this, a student is what? 15. So t will be 20 plus 15. That is nothing but 35. Okay. So friends, I hope all these 5 questions you were able to understand. And friends, if you want me to do more videos, then please comment below. And friends, this is one question which is a very good question. And I wanted you all to try this question and let me know the answer. Okay. So I will also give you the option. So 10. Okay. And then it will be 12. And then it will be 12.5. Okay. And then, so this is nothing but hours. And this is nothing but hours. This is nothing but hours. And then here 15 hours. So friend, this is a very, very good question. So I will request everyone to try out this question and come up with your answer. And once like tomorrow I will put the answer and I will pin it. And if you want me to do more videos and the solution of these videos, then please put a comment and then only I'll be able to make more number of videos and this problem also I will solve. So friend, TCS smart hiring is not a very tough exam, so it's easy. So we will be easily able to do it and get selected in TCS Smart Hiring. Thank you, friends.